Hey guys, what's up, what's up? Back with your girl Patriana here in my first cocktail series. So what are we making today? It's gonna be my own twist of the White Russian. So all you need for the liquor is just Kahlua, vodka, and then heavy whipping cream, and also some oat milk, just to give it more like milky and creamier taste. And this is like a good night drink before you go to bed. After a long day of work, time to hit the liquor shelf, right? All right, guys. So all you need here, just a small glass. It's look like this. And then I have this measurement shot glass. So this is 1.5 ounce. So that's how it looks like. I got the measurement here. So what I'm gonna do, it's gonna be 1.5 ounce of Kahlua. Since I really like the Kahlua taste, I don't, usually the normal measurement is about 1 ounce Kahlua and then 2 ounce vodka. But I'm not a big vodka drinker, so I'm just gonna do it just another 1.5 ounce. And remember guys, don't forget to chill your alcohol because you want it cold. And then what I'm gonna do, so this is about 2.5 ounces of whipping cream. So just gonna pour it slowly on top. So as you can see here, the milk isn't really mixed up with the Kahlua down there. And then what I'm gonna do is to just a little tidbit splash of oat milk. I really like how they're tasting, so. Just a little bit there. Remy, were you staring? Alright guys, and then this is the secret weapon here. It's the ground cinnamon. It's just, the cinnamon always have that really unique smell. It just, make the flavor much more arrogant. So, why are you wearing my oat milk? Anyway, so I'm gonna sprinkle it on top. And here you go, guys. It doesn't have to be perfect, but hey, it's all my twist on White Russian. Cheers. Oh wow, that's really, really good. The cinnamon really elevate the flavor to the next level. And it's not that crazy strong drink, just something that you can enjoy. All right, guys. See ya.